Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got another beautiful example of how Nautique's color combinations really come together. We've got a teal hull side with a nice metallic accent, white hull bottom, and contrasted very nicely with a tan interior here. Tons of seating in this boat. And one of my favorite features of the GS series, nice seats on the back, so while you're sitting back here surfing, you can hang out and talk to your friends that are right behind the boat surfing. NSF surf gates, surf pipe as well, puts your exhaust straight down into the prop wash, turning that up and putting it out back behind the rider. Also gets rid of a little bit of that noise that you typically hear on outboard towboats, and even smooths out the wake because your bubbles are not coming up on the side. Let's hop inside and look at the rest. So starting up here on the bow, you can see that these boats are really designed for a day out on the water, partying with friends and family. Lots of seating throughout, cup holders everywhere, charging ports everywhere, speakers in every seating area throughout the boat. You've got cup holders and charging ports on both sides, both port and starboard. More JL audio speakers throughout. This boat's got seating for 15 people even, and lots of storage under every seat. Big storage here behind your co-captain's chair, as well as a subwoofer up front. And at the helm, we've got our digital system, like on every Nautique, controls every aspect of the boat, all touchscreen or run with your dial there, so you don't have any buttons to offer up water intrusion. Super reliable system. Haven't had any problems at all with it, and it allows you to control the entire boat seamlessly without having to reach around for different buttons, all with your right hand. Coming back, pop the engine compartment open here, show you the storage on the sides as well. Huge storage on both sides. Plenty of room for all your water toys. Full day out in the water, bring the cooler. There's your beautiful PCM engine. You guys have any other questions about this boat or any other awesome Nautiques that we have in stock, give me a call, text, or shoot me an email anytime. I'm happy to help.